Look here. I got the rest of my parts in. I got everything I need to rebuild my suspension. Yeah, not. Only thing I didn't order was the lower A-arms, which I think are still good from what I can see. I'm about to cut that off because I got new ones and that one got rivets holding it in there. So I'm about to cut that off. And I got to heat these bolts up right here. These bolts to get the upper A-arm off because them bad boys are really seized up. But these parts finally came in yesterday while I was at work. So got 2 new upper A-arms. All the components for the steering system. All that stuff got bent up and damaged when I had the bigger rims on my car. I didn't even notice the damage until after I took the rims off so I could take out my car to work. So I can park my big ass truck. My truck burned too much fuel, so took my rims off so nobody messing with my car while I'm gone. And noticed the car was sitting funny when I walked away from it. So after a thorough investigation, I found out that the upper A-arms was bent upward. Get it? Upper A-arms upward. But it was bent upward in the front. I don't know how it got like that. Our buddy even drove this car. This car sat. It sits more than I drive it. I think I bought this car in 2000 and I think it was 8 or 9, one of the two. And I only put 10,000 miles on this car since I purchased it. And so far, I mean, it's the only major problem I don't have with it is this right here and whatnot, because it interferes with the steering, man. It makes it steer hella crazy. But other than that, I got a friend coming over today. He's supposed to come help me put all this back together because I am not a mechanic. I mean, I took this apart, but it took me damn near 3 days to get it off because I had no idea how to get everything. I'll have to watch all kind of videos on YouTube on other cars to figure out how to get this off of my car, which wasn't no fun. But other than that, I'm gonna try to do I'm gonna attempt to do a how-to video because I haven't touched the other side. The other side is still intact, and my last video is still intact. I haven't did anything over yet. I just took the wheel off. But it all goes well on this side. I'm gonna try to do a video to show how to replace the whole steering system, suspension, and put in a lowering kit. I ain't showing my springs. These are my springs right here. I had to get some tools because I didn't have I had a hammer, but like tools, they walk off. People borrow and don't bring back. Let me get this off right quick. Okay. These are my lowering springs. These are the fronts, these are the back. They're actually 2.5 inches shorter than the stock springs. So that means my car gonna have a 2.5 inch squat in the front. I haven't sized up the back ones yet because I haven't took the back ones off yet to see how much of a difference the back ones are. Because it said, when I ordered them, it said 1.5 inches squat in the back and a 2 inch in the front. But when I compare the springs together, these springs right here are actually 2.5 inches shorter than the stock springs. So I'm gonna take it that these got to be at least 2 inches shorter than the stock back springs and whatnot. So I'm gonna put those on there. And once I figure out how my car sits and everything, then I'm gonna order my new rims. I'm trying to get rid of these ones because they are not going back on. They will not fit once I'm done. So afterwards, that's about it. So once I figure out the stance height on it and how it's gonna sit and everything else, then I'll get with one of my friends who sells rims and tires and see if he can find me the perfect setup for my car, because I want an 11.5 inch wide on the back and I want a 10.5 on the front. The thing I haven't figured out yet is the size of the rim I could put on there so I can still keep my that sports stance I'm trying to go for. So hopefully everything goes as I planned and everything I ordered fits. Everything that I ordered is the right part because I ordered this off of Amazon, so it's a 14-piece kit. I needed a 16-piece with the bottom one because I wanted to replace all that, but they didn't have a 16-piece with the lower A-arms for my car. If they did, I couldn't find it. But that's that. Had to give me some new tools just to do this work. But cause what I had was kind of worn out and whatnot. My compressor was on this last leg, so I had to get another compressor because it wasn't doing anything. It barely charged up anymore. It's like 12 years old, but that's that. But hopefully my friend gets up here soon and I'll be putting all this together. I need to clean my garage up some more. But other than that, that's that. Get everything up together. And some of my friends tell me I need to tell people to start asking people to like and subscribe to my videos and whatnot, because I've never done that. So if you like my videos, subscribe and like them, or whatever that stuff they say do on YouTube, so I can get more views, I guess. But I'll keep y'all posted. Peace.